This device has internet access right now. Now I enable the MikroTik Firewall rule and instantly the internet is blocked. In this video, I'll show you how to block unknown devices by MAC address using Winbox. I'm using MikroTik CHR inside VMware Workstation and another virtual machine as the unknown device. In a real network, this unknown device could be a phone, laptop, camera, printer. In a real network, this unknown device could be a phone, laptop, camera, printer, or any device connected to your MikroTik router. The method is almost the same. We will find the device MAC address, create a firewall rule, and block its internet access. 2. VMware network, adapters, router, and client. Before opening Winbox, let's quickly check the VMware adapters for MikroTik CHR. I'm using two adapters. Adapter 1 is bridge. This is the WAN side. Adapter 2 is VMnet 2. This is the LAN side. For the client's VM, I'm using one adapter and it is VMnet 2. This means the client is behind MikroTik and must use MikroTik to access the internet. 3. Connect to MikroTik using Winbox. Now let's open Winbox. In the Neighbors tab, we can see the MikroTik CHR router. I will connect using the MAC address because the router does not have an IP configuration yet. Select the router, enter the username and click Connect. Now we are inside MikroTik RouterOS using Winbox. 4. Rename interfaces WAN and LAN. First, let's rename the interfaces. This step is optional, but it makes the configuration easier. Go to Interfaces. Rename either 1 to either 1 WAN. This is the internet side. Now rename either 2 to either 2 LAN. This is the internal network side. Now we have either 1 WAN for internet, either 2 LAN for local devices. 5. Configure WAN DHCP client. Now we need internet on the WAN interface. Go to IP, then DHCP client. Click Add. For interface, select either one WAN. Make sure Add default route is enabled. Click Apply and OK. After a few seconds, the status should become bound. This means MikroTik received an IP address from VMware bridge. 6. Configure LAN IP address gateway. Now we need to configure the LAN side. Go to IP, then Addresses. Click Add. In the address field, enter 192.168.1.1/24. For interface, select either 2 LAN. Click Apply and OK. This IP address will be the gateway for our LAN devices. 7. Set up DHCP Server Auto IP for clients. Now let's create a DHCP server for LAN devices. Go to IP, then DHCP Server. Click DHCP Setup. Select either 2 LAN as the DHCP interface. For the address space, use 192.168.1.0/24. For the gateway, use 192.168.1.1. For the address pool, use 192.168.1.10 to 192.168.1.20. For DNS server, use 192.168.1.1. Finish the setup. Now, MikroTik can automatically give IP addresses to LAN devices. 8. Configure DNS name resolution. Now go to IP, then DNS. In the servers field, add 1.1.1.1 and 8.8.8.8. Enable allow remote requests. Click apply and OK. Now LAN clients can use MikroTik as their DNS server. 9. Configure NAT Internet for LAN devices. Now we need NAT. Without NAT, LAN devices cannot access the Internet through MikroTik. Go to IP, then Firewall, open the NAT tab, click Add. In the General tab, set Chain to SRC NAT. For Out interface, select either one WAN. Now go to the Action tab, set Action to Masquerade. Click Apply and OK. Now LAN devices should be able to access the Internet. 10. Test client Internet before blocking. Now let's test the client VM. The client should receive an IP address from MikroTik. For example, 192.168.1.10. Now open a browser or ping 8.8.8.8. As you can see, before blocking, the client has internet access. This is important because we need to confirm that the device is online before blocking it. 11. Find unknown device MAC address, DHCP Leases. Now go back to Winbox, go to IP, then DHCP Server. Open the Leases tab. Here we can see connected devices. Look at the IP address, MAC address, host name, and status. In this lab, this client is our unknown device. Now copy or write down the MAC address of this device. We will use this MAC address inside the firewall rule. This is better than blocking only the IP address because the device may get a different IP later. 12. Create firewall rule. Block by MAC address. Now we will create the firewall rule. Go to IP, then Firewall, open the Filter Rules tab, click Add. In the General tab, set Chain to Forward. The forward chain is used for traffic passing through the router, like LAN to Internet traffic. Set in interface to, either to LAN. This means the rule will check traffic coming from the LAN side. Now go to the Advanced tab. Find SRC MAC address. Enter the MAC address of the unknown device. Use the same MAC address that you saw in DHCP Leases. Now go to the Action tab. Set Action to Drop. Add a comment, block unknown device by MAC address. Click Apply and OK. This rule means if traffic comes from this MAC address and tries to pass through, MikroTik will drop it. So this device should lose internet access. 13. Test blocking internet should stop. Now go back to the client VM. Refresh the browser or ping 8.8.8.8 again. As you can see, the client does not have internet access anymore. The device is still connected to the network, but its internet traffic is blocked by MikroTik Firewall. Other devices can still use the internet. Only this selected device is blocked. 14. Confirm the rule, disable and test again. Now let's confirm the rule. Go back to Winbox. Open IP Firewall Filter Rules. Disable the block rule. Now test the client VM again. As you can see, the internet works again. This confirms that our firewall rule is working correctly. Now enable the rule again if you want the device to stay blocked. That's it. Now you know how to block unknown devices by MAC address in MikroTik RouterOS using Winbox. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to NetStructs for more MikroTik, networking, and IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.